Alright, let's break down welding safety because trust me, this is one area where you don't want to take shortcuts. Welding might look like just sparks and metal, but it comes with real hazards. We're talking blinding light, intense heat, toxic fumes, and enough electricity to make your hair stand up. So, first things first, personal protective equipment or PPE. You need a proper welding helmet with the right filter shade to protect your eyes and face from UV and infrared rays. And don't even think about flipping up your visor to just tack this one spot. Always keep your helmet down when the torch is live. Next, cover up. Wear flame-resistant long sleeves and pants. No exposed skin, no synthetic fibers. Sparks can burn through street clothes in seconds. Leather gloves, high-top boots, and a full-length apron? Non-negotiable. Ventilation is another big one. Welding produces fumes and gases that you don't want in your lungs. Always work in well-ventilated areas or use local exhaust systems. If you're working in confined spaces, it's time to suit up with a respirator. Don't forget about fire safety. Clear away flammable materials, keep a fire extinguisher close by, and know your escape routes. A stray spark can turn your work area into a bonfire before you know it. And finally, let's talk electricity. Welding equipment runs on some serious power. Always inspect your cables for damage, make sure your equipment is properly grounded, and never weld in wet conditions. Welding safety isn't just about following rules, it's about making sure you go home in one piece. Take it seriously, set a good example, and always stay alert. That's the best way to master welding safety.